Welcome to the channel. Today, we will show you how to manage notifications on the Webtoon app, so you only receive the alerts that matter to you. Many users get overwhelmed by constant updates, and controlling these notifications can save you time. First, open the Webtoon app on your device. Next, go to the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, tap the three dots at the top right. After that, click on Settings to enter the customization menu. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the sections labeled Service Notification and Marketing Notification. Here, you will see different types of notifications. Carefully review each type and turn off any notification that you do not need or find distracting. This allows you to receive only the updates that are truly important to you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others who might find it helpful.